Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Math.sin method. So what it does, it gonna give you the sin of a number. It's a return, that means. And what we need to do is we gonna create a function like get circle y, and what it does, it gonna give the you know the circle, the radians. So what are we gonna do first? Remove those, create a function. What the heck? Function, we're gonna name it as get circle radians comma radius, and then we will return math dot sign. Inside that, what we're gonna paste gonna do is radius, which we get it from here, and inside that radius. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is get circle, and inside that function we're gonna pass 1 comma 10. It's gonna give you that circle, so 8.414, like that, because you used to that in math classes, I guess. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.